Hey guys, today we have a short little clip for you doing a review on an attic ladder that we recently installed with the help of my father-in-law, because it does weigh 93 pounds, so you need 2 or 3 people to install this. We purchased a Fakro steel attic ladder from Home Depot. We chose this particular model because we liked the scissoring steps. It also had a rough end dimension of 27.5 by 31.5, which was really close to the opening that was already here, so we didn't have to really change much with that. This also does have an insulated door. The R value is a 5.2, so that was another big bonus for us, and a 350 weight-pound capacity.
Now we're going to go downstairs, go over the pros and the cons, and give you an explanation of why this puppy is coming out. Down here, you can take a look at it, and it's a very clean looking door, attic access. They give you extra angle to hide the where you've roughed it in. We had to put a couple extra pieces of drywall that we'll finish here later. Now let's move on to how you operate it. They have provided you with this particular pole. You grab a hold of here and pull down, exposing the stairs. Then all you do is press up and out and pull down, and the scissor or the stair scissor right down into the fork, and you're ready to go.
And now on to the list of cons. These are steel steps, which is fantastic for the weight bearing capacity and for durability, but it does concern me because they are lightly textured, but they are not grippy at all. So I do feel like that falling would be a very serious concern if you were in your socks or something other than your shoes. Second concern is the small usable opening size. They have a 4-inch loss between the door and the frame due to their hinge positioning and design. So an already limited space is even more limited. So you're left with about 19 inches by 20 inches to fit things into the attic. Third concern is the ease of opening and closing the stairs. They are relatively easy to open, but far more difficult to close.
All right, now the final 2 reasons that we are going to be tearing this unit out is, number 1, my head is still hurting from shooting this video. Every time I come up these steps, I hit my head. And Mel, she's hit her back, she's hooked her butt, hooked her belt loops. It's not a usable space.
I put my pants on it. I hit my back. I hit my back again. I'm so leery of catching or hitting something down that I can't even walk up it.
And the second one is the price point. This was on sale at Home Depot for $600. Now the whole reason we went with it is because to extend that extra couple, what was it? 22 inches is because the lights in our room are here, so I'll have to do some electrical. We'll have to tear out some of the spray and insulation, so there's a fair amount of work. But given the amount of work and the extra $400, it's just not cost effective. I would much rather tear that out and rewire this and be able to come up in the attic than to fight with this tiny little space and trying to wrestle the Christmas tree up here. Hopefully our struggles and have helped you guys and will save you some time and effort. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.